A simple drink to support joint comfort, promote cartilage health, and enhance bone strength. A natural option for everyone. What if I told you there's a natural drink that may help you move more freely, less discomfort, less stiffness, and better mobility? A drink that gently supports your joints, promotes cartilage health, and enhances bone strength. It may sound surprising, but this time-tested remedy could be the simple addition your routine needs, and it's likely already in your kitchen. A friend once shared with me how this drink helped him overcome years of discomfort. His results were impressive, and ever since, I've been fascinated by how such a simple solution can make such a difference. This information is for general purposes only and not intended as medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional for personal guidance. Today, we're talking about an ancient remedy that's been trusted for thousands of years, frankincense water, also known as Boswellia resin. This natural solution has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation, heal damaged joints, and even protect bones from aging and weakness, all without relying on chemicals or risky medications. Now let me ask you, how many times have you woken up with aching knees or felt like your joints were locked in place after sitting for too long? I know how frustrating that can be. It's like your body is holding you back, even when you're ready to move forward. That's why this drink is such a game changer. It doesn't just mask the pain like painkillers do. It actually works to heal the problem at its source. And here's the best part. It's natural, safe for daily use, and incredibly easy to make. So whether you're dealing with arthritis, joint stiffness, or just want to keep your bones strong and healthy, this drink might be exactly what you need. Let's not waste any more time. Stick with me and I'll show you how it works, why it's so effective, and most importantly, how to prepare it step by step for maximum results. Frankincense water, more than just a remedy. All right, let me tell you something. Frankincense water isn't just another home remedy. It's a lifesaver for anyone struggling with joint pain, swelling, or stiffness. And I mean it. Now let me remind you, the suggested product can be found in the description, or you can purchase it from any trusted store. However, it's crucial to ensure that it is safe for human consumption, as many frankincense products are made for incense or other purposes. If you have any doubts, consult your doctor to ensure it's appropriate for your needs. You know that feeling when your knees creak every time you climb stairs? Or when it takes a few minutes just to loosen up your joints after getting out of bed? That's exactly what this drink helps with. The secret lies in boswellic acids, natural compounds found in frankincense. These little powerhouses act like nature's anti-inflammatory agents, calming down swelling and reducing stiffness in your joints. And the best part? They do it without the side effects you'd get from painkillers or medications. But wait, it gets better. This drink doesn't just reduce pain. It actually repairs cartilage and protects it from further damage. That's huge, especially for anyone dealing with arthritis or joint degeneration. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild itself, one sip at a time. And let's not forget about bone strength. This drink boosts collagen production, the protein your body uses to keep bones strong and resilient. So instead of just treating symptoms, it prevents future problems, helping you stay active and pain-free as you age. Honestly, the more I learned about frankincense, the more amazed I was. It's like nature packed everything your joints and bones need into this one simple ingredient. And the best part? It's easy to prepare and even easier to use. So, now that you know why this drink is so powerful, let me show you exactly how to make it and how to use it to get the best results. Here's how to make frankincense water the right way. Let me tell you something. Making this drink is so simple, you'll probably wonder why you didn't start using it sooner. But here's the thing. It's not just about throwing a few pieces of frankincense into water and calling it a day. Preparation matters. And I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get the maximum benefits without wasting a drop of its goodness. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First, you'll need about 1 tablespoon of frankincense resin. You can find this in most herbal stores or health shops, and trust me, it's worth getting the good quality stuff. The resin should look golden or light brown, not too dark or sticky. If it smells fresh and earthy, you're on the right track. Step 2. Soak, don't boil. Now here's where most people mess up. They boil it. And honestly, that's the quickest way to ruin all the nutrients and essential oils inside the resin. What you want to do instead is this. Add the resin to a cup of hot water, about 200 to 250 milliliters. Cover the cup immediately to trap all the oils that rise with the steam. Let it soak overnight for 8 to 12 hours. I know it sounds like a long wait, but trust me, this step is crucial because it gives the resin enough time to release all its nutrients into the water. Step 3. Strain and sip. By morning, your drink is ready. Just strain out the resin pieces and there you have it, a healing tonic for your joints, bones, and inflammation. Drink it once a day, preferably on an empty stomach before breakfast. Stick with it for at least 4 to 6 weeks, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. From easier movement to less pain and even stronger bones. Quick tips for faster results. Don't rush the soaking process. Give it time to release all the nutrients. Patience pays off here. If you're in a hurry, prepare several servings in advance and keep them covered in the fridge. Just make sure to warm them slightly before drinking. Combine it with a topical massage using frankincense oil for even faster relief. Just warm a few drops, rub it into your knees or joints, and feel the difference almost immediately. Can't make the drink every day? No problem. I get it. Life gets busy. That's where frankincense supplements come in. They're available in capsule form, and they're super convenient for anyone on the go. But here's a tip. Always check with your doctor first to make sure they're safe for your condition and to figure out the right dosage for you. How soon will you see results? Now let me be honest. It's not a magic overnight fix. Most people start to notice real changes within 2 to 3 weeks, but the best results come after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. Think of it this way. It's rebuilding your joints and repairing damage naturally, so give it time to do its job. And remember, consistency is key. Drinking it once or twice won't cut it. Make it part of your daily routine, and before you know it, you'll be wondering why you didn't start sooner. When it comes to using frankincense water, there are a few important tips you need to keep in mind to get the best results and avoid any mistakes that could reduce its effectiveness. First, make sure to prepare it correctly. Always soak the resin in hot water instead of boiling it directly. Boiling can destroy the active compounds, which are responsible for its healing properties. And don't forget to cover the cup while it's soaking to trap the essential oils that give it its anti-inflammatory effects. Another thing to pay attention to is consistency. Drinking frankincense water once or twice won't give you the results you're looking for. You need to stick with it daily for 4 to 6 weeks to allow your joints and cartilage time to heal and rebuild. Many people start feeling improvements in as little as 2 weeks, but for long-lasting results, consistency is key. You can also boost the effects by combining the drink with frankincense oil massage. Just warm a few drops of the oil and gently massage it into the affected areas, especially around the knees, elbows, and shoulders. This helps to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and speed up recovery. And here's a quick tip. If you're using store-bought supplements instead of preparing the drink at home, make sure to check the label for purity. Look for products that are 100% natural and free of additives to get the full benefits without any unwanted chemicals. For anyone dealing with severe joint issues, combining frankincense water with a healthy diet can make a huge difference. Eating foods rich in calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids will strengthen your bones and support joint health even more. And remember, if you're currently taking medications for arthritis, diabetes, or high blood pressure, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before adding frankincense to your routine, just to make sure there are no interactions. Keep following these steps and you'll notice how much easier movement becomes, whether it's walking, bending, or even climbing stairs. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your joints start to heal and how much stronger your bones feel. Stay tuned for more tips, and keep watching because we're just getting started on this journey to better joint health.